Welcome to Rubin Slow English. Daily A1-A2 Slow Listening.
Today, Alex and I talk about my daily routine. A daily routine is what I do every day from morning to night. Listen slowly and repeat after me when you see the pause. Ready? Let's go.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Rubin. How are you this morning?
I'm happy today. How about you?
I'm good too. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
7 o'clock? That's early.
Yes, it is. I open my eyes and look at my clock.
Do you stay in bed?
No, I get up right away. I stretch my arms and legs.
Does stretching feel good?
Yes, it feels really good. It helps me wake up.
Then what do you do?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth first.
How long do you brush?
For 2 minutes. I brush the front, the back, and the top.
Good habit. What next?
I wash my face with cold water. Cold water makes me feel fresh.
Do you use soap?
Yes, I use soap and then dry my face with a towel.
Now you get dressed?
Yes, I put on my school uniform. It's blue pants and a white shirt.
Do you like your uniform?
I like it. It's comfortable.
What about breakfast?
Breakfast is at 7:30. My mom makes it for me.
What do you eat today?
Bread with butter, a glass of milk, and 1 red apple. Sometimes I have an egg too.
Do you eat with your family?
Yes. My dad reads the newspaper. My little sister eats cereal and plays with her spoon.
That sounds fun. What time do you leave for school?
At 8 o'clock, I walk to school with my friends.
How far is your school?
Not far. It takes 15 minutes to walk.
Do you talk on the way?
Yes, we talk about school and games. We laugh a lot.
When does school start?
At 8:15, the first class is English.
English? Do you like it?
I like it very much. We learn new words and practice speaking.
What is the next class?
Math. Math is a little hard, but I do my best.
Lunchtime?
Yes, at 12 o'clock. I eat in the school cafeteria.
What do you have for lunch?
Rice, chicken, vegetables, and sometimes fruit. I eat with my classmates.
Do you talk during lunch?
Yes, we talk about games and homework.
Afternoon classes?
We have science and art. In art class, I draw pictures.
What do you draw?
Today I draw my house and my family. It's fun.
When does school end?
At 3 o'clock, I walk home with my friends again.
What do you do first at home?
I take off my shoes and say, "I'm home," to my mom.
Homework time?
Yes, I sit at my desk. I do English and math homework first.
How long does it take?
About 1 hour. Then I finish.
What do you do after homework?
I play outside. I play football with my friends. Sometimes I read a book in my room.
Do you help your mom?
Yes. At 6 o'clock, I help in the kitchen. I set the table with plates and spoons.
Dinner time?
At 7 o'clock, we eat together. Today we have fish, rice, and soup.
Do you like fish?
Yes, I like fish a lot.
After dinner?
I watch TV for 30 minutes. I watch cartoons. They make me laugh.
Then you take a shower?
Yes, at 8:30. Warm water feels nice after a long day.
Before bed?
I brush my teeth. At 9 o'clock, I go to bed.
Do you read before sleep?
Yes, I read a short story book. It helps me relax.
Do you say good night?
Yes, I say good night to my mom, dad, and sister.
Then you sleep?
Yes, I close my eyes and think about my day. It was a good day.
Thank you, Reuben. Your routine sounds nice.
You're welcome.
Now tell me about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you walk to school? Do you do homework? Comment below and tell Reuben.
Reuben, thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.